Yes, Boris! Over 1,000 planes, ships, and tanks to choose from. And what do I go for? The painless T-50. More like drifting shopping kite with cannon than tank. You see, Kamlis, the key to winning this game is to not rush B after all. And it is Papa. You need to go sneaky, Bricky. No, fuck, it's next leg. I see you. Hey! Who stole my kill? It was you! You have done this mistreatment! You have betrayed Motherland! Why are you running? You cannot escape the judgment! Oh, this is Babushka's old house! Hold on! I can see cover in this head! I mean, what do you think when you see a Baron driving across the battlefield? I will be thinking... No! The Baron Inquisition was a fail! Not bad, but this is better! Look, I hear a lot of people think,
But Boris, the Russian boy is so bad in game. T-34 is made of stone, блин.
well, maybe.
What was that?
Ha! You're no match for the Boris war machine! Ой, okay. A bomb. I'll let the bomb you, it's not hurting anybody.